Unlocking the mystery of busy hour in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, busy hour. If you've stumbled upon this term and found yourself scratching your head, worry not. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in and get you familiar with this commonly used phrase. Busy hour is a phrase that typically refers to the time of day when a service or location experiences the highest amount of activity or traffic. It can be used in various contexts, from public transportation to customer service. Think of it as the peak time when everyone seems to be doing the same thing at the same time. To help you better understand, let's look at some examples. In the context of transportation, the busy hour might be rush hour, when everyone is trying to get to work or head home. In a restaurant, the busy hour could be the lunch rush, when the place is packed with customers. For a customer service hotline, the busy hour could be when they receive the highest volume of calls, perhaps right after a major product launch. Understanding the concept of busy hour is crucial because it allows you to plan accordingly. It can help you avoid crowds, manage your time efficiently, or prepare for a spike in activity if you're on the providing side of a service. Now, let's put busy hour into action. Here are a few sentences you can practice with. I avoid going to the gym during the busy hour because it's nearly impossible to find a free treadmill. The cafe near my office has its busy hour from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m., so I usually grab my coffee earlier. As a customer support agent, I have to be extra prepared during the busy hour as the calls double. And that's a wrap on busy hour. We hope this video has shed light on what the phrase means and how you can use it. Remember, knowing when the busy hour is can make your life a lot easier, whether you're trying to beat the crowd or gearing up to face it. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and we'll see you in the next video.